OpenClaw, the open-source AI agent that runs entirely on your own computer, just landed native apps for Android and iOS. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. So the apps don't run the AI themselves, but connect to a private gateway you set up yourself on a Mac, PC, or Linux machine, turning your phone into secure remote for everything the gateway can do. You can pair your phone to the gateway using a QR code or a setup code, a process that takes just a few minutes. Once connected, you can chat with OpenClaw directly or switch to talk mode for real-time conversations. Plus, every action the agent wants to take on your gateway requires your approval first. You can also share text, links, and media straight from your phone into OpenClaw and selectively enable device features like your camera, screen, location, photos, contacts, calendar, and reminders. You can also turn on notifications to yourself, update it on workflow, even when the app sits in the background. What makes OpenClaw stand out is that it's open source, which means you can inspect how it works or even customize parts of it yourself. That makes it very different from closed AI apps like ChatGPT or Gemini, where most of the back end remains hidden. The iOS version needs iOS 18 or later and is completely free. Meanwhile, the Android version requires Android 12 or higher. Early reviews suggest the two apps aren't quite polished at the same level as Android apps. Interface is somewhat rough around the edges, whereas the iOS app is more refined and lists itself as a productivity app that collects no user data according to its App Store listing. OpenClaw's growing popularity hasn't gone unnoticed in the industry, and Google is reportedly building its own 24/7 personal agent to compete with it directly. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.